So Istria's interior is known for its hill towns, and Motovun is one of them. It's a little rainy today, and thankfully we have a car. So we thought what we would do is actually just take a little road trip through a bunch of these hill towns. Here we go.
That is supposed to be a truffle.
I believe the world's largest truffle was found here in Livade.
Bye-bye, Livade.
Now, in normal years, they have a truffle festival each weekend between, I think, like September and November. And we were really excited about going to it this year, but they decided to call it off because of COVID.
Darn you, COVID.
I think we're going to get our fill of truffles either way.
We're in Oprtalj.
We think that's how you say it.
We think that's how you say it. But we just parked in free parking, and we're going to take a little stroll through the little city.
I don't know if you'd call this a city.
Municipal?
Well, I think it's maybe a town.
Town. It's like the most colorful little square.
I love how, like, partially abandoned parts of this town are. It's pretty cool. Like, check out this building. Završje.
You definitely ran that stop sign.
What was that stop sign?
That was a stop sign.
Whoops.
Just rolled right through it. Nikki, why are you breaking the law in Croatia?
Yeah, I don't know. I've heard ignorance is not an excuse, but I did not know.
It's mostly abandoned.
But we've heard.
Super excited. On to the next one.
So similar to Završje, Grožnjan has changed hands many times through the years, and today, I guess it is mostly occupied by artists.
Yeah, in 1965, it was dubbed the City of Artists. In the 60s.
The 60s. Oh, did you make a friend? Hi there. Hi.
Okay, well, it's mine now. Yeah, there are a lot of art galleries.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, a lot of them are open right now, but art.
You sound like a seal. These people's awning is a vineyard. Check that out. Booyah! guys.
Good morning. So we're staying at the cutest B&B here at Motovun, and we're having a beautiful little breakfast out on our terrace with the most incredible views that you can imagine.
And we have something exciting planned for today. But we're gonna eat breakfast first. So we just wrapped up our breakfast.
So good.
Ooh, yummy. I ate a lot because we paid for that breakfast. But
And you're fueling up for our big adventure today.
yes, so what are we doing? This region we're in, Istria, the interior of Istria, is known for truffles. And the place we're staying actually offers a truffle hunting experience. So we're going out with the son of the owner, I believe,
And puppers.
some truffle hunting dogs. So we're really, really excited. Not even entirely sure what we're getting ourselves into. Looks like a fun experience, and we've really been looking forward to it.
To the hunt.
To the hunt! We're in the car. And there's dogs back there.
You can't see them yet, and we don't know their names, but
We'll meet them.
we'll meet them.
Stai, Lila. Stai, Lila. Stai.
They're so cute.
This is Lila.
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 She's the oldest in the group. 7.5.
20 years ago, I had a dog by myself, a pointer Bernhardiner mix.
Mixed also. Yeah.
Oh, so nice.
Roa. This is Bina. She's Lagotto Romagnolo. Maybe you heard it. Italian breed. Yeah. Like special for truffle hunting.
Nice.
Yeah. She's young, 5.5 months.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Lila 7.5 years. Luna 3. And Roa 5. Good, take your time. Do the toilet play. That's always good. Hey, Luna. Op. Hey, dosta. Hey, dosta. Roa. Luna. Luna. Dosta. Ajmo, focus. Roa. Stop. Dosta. Ajmo, focus. Idemo.
A little workplace conflict. They'll be seeing HR after today's hunt.
It smells. Check. Move. Stop. Brava, Lila. Come close. Czekaj. Bravo. Stop. Bravo, Lila.
Bravo.
Czekaj.
Bravo.
Czekaj. So. That's it, huh? Oh my god. It's all eaten, yeah? Look.
Oh.
That's snails.
Aw.
Does that happen a lot?
Yeah, if they're not deep, yes.
Uh-huh.
Oh, smell is fantastic. Try. Yeah. Or, no, enough. Dosta.
this is a much different type of hunting dog experience. Whereas I think in a lot of like waterfowl hunting or something like that, the dog is your assistant. Here, dog is really kind of the star of the show. We're following them. We're following their nose. So I imagine to be great in the truffle hunting business, you got to be a fantastic dog trainer.
Luna's spicy.
Idemo dalje. Pro. Lila, traži. Traži Luna. Ajde. Ajmo. Stop playing. Idemo. Ajde.
The tiniest truffle. We found 2 not so good and then 1 tiny. Props to Rocco and Luna.
Good job, Rocco. I think that's it.
So good.
That was great. I think we're headed in.
Dogs.
Yeah, they're great dogs.
So we made it to dinner. A little bit of a gap between truffle hunting and dinner. We basically went back to the room and napped, watched Formula One, did some laundry. But now we're at Pod Napun having dinner, and we just got our vegetable soup. Got some pasta ready for just a hearty meal after a day of truffle hunting.
How'd you feel about truffle hunting?
I loved it. It was so fun. I think I want some truffle dogs now.
She just liked the dogs.
I did like the dogs a lot. It was beautiful just to walk around. It was really good, and what a beautiful day. Apparently it was the beginning of truffle hunting season, at least for white truffles.
Yeah.
I think he said we were about 5 days into like when the hunting becomes decent enough to actually go out and start hunting truffles. But I'm gonna eat this soup.
We've had fun with you guys in Istria,
Yes.
and we will see you at our next destination.
Goodbye, friends.
Going in. Just feel like Blair Witch